Hey everybody, so today I'm going to use up, I felt hot, this, that pan's hot, these biscuits. I don't want them to go to waste, so I'm going to make some biscuit breakfast sandwiches. So I have some scrambled egg, I have these, I would call them Canadian bacon, but they were sold as biscuit sliced ham. I have some Swiss cheese, my egg, my biscuits, my little bitty skillet. I'm going to add a smidge of butter. The burner is super hot. That right there is the dog food cooking. Got stuff I need to get out of the refrigerator. Have y'all ever done Walmart pickup and they substitute stuff, replace stuff, whatever? Well, I was gonna surprise my husband with mustard greens, and they replaced it with collard greens, and we have plenty of collard greens. And I got neck bones to do them and everything. So I need to can those collard greens and cook those neck bones to put in them. So an unexpected canning project. You guys ever have those? So cooking my egg. And that burner, it is so hot in here. It's very cold outside though, so I shouldn't complain because I detest the cold. So we're putting our sandwich together. Going to flip that egg, and then he'll have some unexpected breakfasts for work. That on there. It's a little bigger than the biscuit, but it'll be okay. I'm only using 2 eggs to make all 4 of these sandwiches. So if you scramble them up and then just put a little in your skillet at a time. I also have those round rings you can cook eggs in. You can use those. Another little smidge of butter, and then I just wrap them up and I'll put them in the freezer. Easy peasy. So a little bit of egg. Used a little too much in that first one. And if you like a fluffy egg, you can turn the heat down lower and put a lid on it, and it will make your eggs puff up. And that pot over there is going to boil over. Tippy has had a rough couple of days. Get my biscuit ready. Put some ham, some cheese. I'm surprised my husband hasn't walked in the door. And I just pull him back like you would if you were cooking an omelet. Put the egg on, top it, so anything you have left over, you don't want it to go to waste. Create sandwiches, breakfast, burritos, whatever you have on hand, and I think he's coming. Okay, for the 8 people that saw that video, I foobered. So I turned it off when I thought I was turning it on, and then when I thought I was turning it off, I turned it on. And you just saw or heard me talking to my husband and stuff. So I just wanted to say, use what you have. Make breakfast burritos, breakfast sandwiches. I like to do pancake and sausage. Kind of like I like the McGriddle, but I never eat out, so I make my own stuff. So yeah, use what you have. Don't waste anything. Make sandwiches, throw them in the freezer. You've got breakfast for the family, the husband, yourself, whoever. So if you have any questions, let me know down below. You can grill me over that the ending of that other video. I got rid of it and I'm fixing it. So yeah, stay safe, stay healthy, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care.